The most profound shift happening right now in manufacturing is the move from data collection to autonomous, real-time and AI-driven decision-making. It's no longer just about monitoring what happens on the production line. It's about systems that detect an anomaly, correct the process and log the intervention, all without any human touch. That's a fundamental paradigm shift. For years we talked about predictive maintenance as if it was the finish line. Today we realize it was just the starting point. Despite technology's work, many industries struggle to scale POC into full-scale productive reality because they are stuck in what we can call pilot purgatory. 60% of manufacturing tech potential remains unlocked, and the reason is that the complexity of these technologies exceed the current skill of operators. Technology is only as powerful as the person's ability to use it. What makes possible to face new use cases, new challenges, is the convergence of several forces at once. Edge computing has become economically accessible. Digital twins have finally matured as a technology, and large language models are starting to act as a bridge between operational systems and the people who run the plants. What's changed is not the invention, it's the simultaneous readiness. Nowadays, the pieces are mature enough, affordable enough, and interoperable enough to work together. The shift wasn't just from reactive to predictive maintenance, it was from data overload to decision clarity. In our reality, the main technical challenge is rarely the hardest technical problem. It's finding the solution that is rigorous enough to work and human enough to be used. Technology enables, usability delivers.